What's up, Miami? It's your boy Miguel So Clean with Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile, Miami and surrounding areas. #1 choice, wool and viscose pile. Beautiful area rug. This area rug belongs in the nursery. Baby lays down and play. Eventually he's going to crawl. And the whole evolution of the baby starts. There's urine droppings all throughout this area rug. So we're going to do what we do. We're going to deep clean, we're going to sanitize, and we're going to disinfect. And we're going to remove and kill all lingering bacteria as well as removing the urine stains. Look at that. So much brighter, smells good, and most importantly is clean so the baby can do what he does. Give us a call. Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile, Miami and surrounding areas. #1 choice. Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile.